What's wrong?
Wala po. Nagkaroon lang po kami ng konting tampuhan ni Jasmine.
Tapos tayo.
Saan po tayo pupunta?
Somewhere na nakakahinga tayo. Away from everyone.
Namiss ko tong bonding natin na ganito. I wish everyday, ganito lang tayo. Yung walang problema, tas chill lang lahat.
I know. It's really a big mistake na pumunta tayo dito sa Manila.
I'm just really glad na you're still here with me. I might have lost Jasmine already po eh.
Nak, sorry ah. Nadadamay ka pa sa lahat ng gulong to. You know, the last thing I want is to see you get hurt. And you know, Papa loves you very much.
But pa, none of this is your fault. Pero bakit parang ikaw ang may kasalanan sa lahat? May iba pa po bang problema?
Nak, magulo lang talaga yung isip ngayon ni Papa. I hate to do this right now, but I think I have to leave the house for a while. I'm sorry.
Huh? Sasama ako sa'yo. Huwag mo ko iwan dun sa bahay na yun.
Nak, believe me, gusto ka tayong sama, but iba na sagot mo ng school yun. Ayoko maapektuhan yung studies mo. I think it's best if you stay with the family first for now.
Ayoko dun. Huwag mo ko iwan dun.
Nak, makinig ka muna sa akin. Just always remember, wala kang ginagawang masama. Wala kang kasalanan. And lagi mong tatandaan. Mahal na mahal ka ni Papa. Ha? Ano umiyak? Halika.
Papa.